Hello and welcome to Echo Drive. My name is Samir Contractor and with me today is the newly launched MINI Countryman C. Well, this is the newest version of the Countryman in India. The company already sells the electric and the John Cooper Works version. This is now available as the more accessible version and it is now made in India. In fact, I am at the BMW Group plant in Chennai. This is where the MINI and BMW models are locally assembled. And what you see here is a locally assembled MINI Countryman C. What do you get with the SUV? Come, let's tell you. Visually, the Countryman is very much identical to the other models, be it the JCW or the Countryman E. Now, the Countryman C comes with that octagonal grille, very massive. I think it looks very nice. And yes, the MINI has definitely grown in proportions with the Countryman. This one is more imposing in design. I also like the LED DRLs. I think it's very distinctive, and you also get LED headlamps. So that entire unit is quite nice to look at and very distinctive overall. You see the 360-degree camera, front camera there. So in terms of an imposing design, this one is very much there and definitely stands out compared to everything else you've seen on the road. Not very subtle, very in your face, and I think I love that for what the brand is. Come to the side and you have 19-inch wheels. I think these look fantastic and yes, low profile. So again, go with the whole go-kart theme and the fun theme that Minis have to offer. Nearly 4.5 meters in length, 2692 millimeters of the wheelbase. What you see here is a sizable car. Not average size, but this is definitely imposing. The road presence is quite nice. And you also get a ground clearance of 190 millimeters. So yes, very practical for Indian roads. Now come to the rear and you will see again a very Mini themed design over there. You have that Union Jack flag integrated into the tail lights. Looks very nice. The massive Countryman branding. And yes, a very simpler design, simpler lines overall, I have to say, and an electric tailgate as well. So that makes room for about 505 liters of boot capacity. Well, lift this and you can fold the seats and it can go up to nearly 1500 liters of boot capacity with the rear seats folded. And I have to say, this is a sizable car and easily the most practical Mini out there. Oh, and the tail lights come with 3 types of welcome and goodbye animation. Step inside the new Countryman C and you will find a lot of familiar and quirky elements that Minis are known for. Well, you do not get the conventional instrument console right there, but you do get a head-up display. That may take some time getting used to, but is definitely information rich. I like the steering wheel, very familiar. It's also similar to what you get on the X1 and the iX1. And in true Mini fashion, you have a 240mm circular OLED display. Now, this is something that you do not see on regular cars. Those are mostly horizontal strips in terms of the screen. This is, of course, very different and very nice. It also runs the latest Mini OS 9 operating system. So, that is very different and very intuitive to use. I do like what you have to offer there. Now, in addition to that, you get sport seats from the JCW. They come with memory and electric functionality, but they do not get ventilation. You do get massage seat for the driver's side, which is great. I have it on right now. In addition to all of that, you have the knitting on the dashboard and other parts of the car. You do not get leather, but this is actually nicer. Again, very different from what you get on other luxury cars. You have the telltale in terms of wireless charging, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You get a panoramic sunroof and you get an interior camera as well that you would see on Series X3 and even the 5 Series. And keeping the tradition alive, you get toggle switches, which in fact are my favorite on any Mini. Come to the rear and you get more of that brown leather upholstery. You also get a center armrest and you come with rear AC vents, and these seats can recline up to 25 degrees and also get sliding function of 130 millimeters. Power on the Mini Countryman C comes from the 1.5 litre 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine. Now this makes about 154 brake horsepower, 240 Newton meters of peak torque, paired with a 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. And it's a reasonably quick car with 0 to 100 kilometers per hour coming up in 9 seconds. The Countryman C comes with level 1 ADAS, which means it gets a lane departure warning, front collision warning, attention assist speed warning, and a whole lot more. The Mini Countryman C is priced at 47,50,000 rupees. That makes it super competitive. Of course, this is a locally made model now, and it competes with the Mercedes-Benz GLA, the BMW X1 and the Audi Q3 in the segment. And to make those prices even more delectable, Mini is offering a buyback scheme. 66% of buyback after 3 years and 59% of buyback after 4 years. What do you think about it? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, and for more such videos, hit that follow button now.